Hey guys, so we're gonna do a quick makeup. I hate myself. Hey guys, so we're gonna do a quick get ready with me in Ikea. Okay. That's my little sister poking her little face in. You can come and be in this if you want. There. So I got my makeup today with me. We gotta hurry because I literally only have until my family gets back from the bathroom, then we're leaving. So this is gonna be a quick one. First, we're gonna start off with some Mario spray to get some, you know, moisture up on this is. Okay, we got the moisture. My mom's behind the camera laughing at me. Get these. Oh, Lindsay's eating over here. Quick mukbang. So I'm starting with the MAC Studio Finish, as always. I don't have any water for my beauty blender, so today we're gonna go with the brush. Oh my gosh, we didn't even prime.
Are you Lindsay?
Okay, we got a quick prime. Scratch that. We're just gonna, and I'm almost out. Where's the camera? I'm almost out. Good. We're just gonna prime in the middle of our, you know, I'm just gonna take that out. I can't believe I forgot to prime. And this is the worst lighting ever. And Lindsay's just eating.
We're all American. I get to miss school.
Here we are, dry skin 101. Okay, perfect. How does that look, Lindsay? London? Okay. Yes, we are gonna do some more liquids. We're just gonna do a quick little base today using Naked 3, using Limit, just a base little pink.
Why is that one almost falls? The one falls.
It just, I've had this for a really long time, so yes, it falls out. We're gonna use Strange, obviously I've hit pans. Oh, and there's my lunch. And here we go.
You're back.
They're back, so I gotta really hurry. Just a quick base on that so it puts me together just a little bit. We're done with that. Brow chubby stick today. Eyeliner. Today we are going to be using Urban Decay waterproof, very fine tip eyeliner. There we go, just a quick little eyeliner. No wings today because I'm in Ikea, gotta hurry. I have really sensitive skin, so I'm gonna do just a base chapstick because it's cold outside and my face is dry.
And then you're gonna
do a quick highlight.
Did I really forget my highlight brush? Just kidding. That's not it.
Found it. I got this in my Ipsy bag a few weeks ago. I got this in my Ipsy bag a few months ago. That was my third time, so it seemed really weird. That's why. Quick highlight. Okay, look what happened. I don't know what that is. Don't even ask. I can't really see. A little bit above the brow. A little bit on the nose. Here we go. Little mascara. Today we're gonna use the They're Real Benefit Lash. This is one of my literal favorite lash extenders. Mascara. Oh gosh, I cannot do this. Look how beautiful. Careful. My phone moved a little bit.
No, I finished.
Not yet. Wow, that was actually pretty good without doing much. Brows, let's put some brow gel in real quick. Okay, I really need to get my brows done, but a certain somebody won't pluck them for me, and I don't like to myself. She's so ready. And so, oh!
I want to go.
I know, it's just oops, I'm literally right now resting on some salt and pepper as a stand, so so I'm just gonna go in with my Sephora foundation quick.
Are you planning on getting any more makeup today?
Sarah just asked me if I was gonna get any more makeup today. Probably at some point this weekend. Yeah, I can't. Okay, if I don't get it edited into this, I totally forgot to put primer on, so this face is gonna be completely gone here in a few hours, unless Lindsay does a good job of giving me a good finish. Okay, ready? Okay, I'm scared. I'm nervous. You better be ready. Okay, hold it there and go. Okay, good, good. Beautiful. Now I'm just gonna pat that all in because I'm a little saturated. And here we go. Finished look in Ikea. We did a very simple look today just because I'm gonna be going to the mall. I am going to be running around. I should have put primer on. This is definitely a look that I'm gonna need to be lasting all day. Oh my gosh, that table just almost fell on me. Literally, look how wiggly this table is. I will be documenting my trip this weekend and keeping you guys updated in a separate video. If you want to go check that out, please do. As always, stay beautiful, you guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. Go and check out my Mall of America trip. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.